We all know the story. A relationship starts with a massive, effortless spark, and then, eventually, it burns out. When the sex becomes infrequent and the boredom sets in, we tend to point to the calendar. We assume that losing passion is the natural, inevitable tax of getting older together. We have put time on trial as the ultimate relationship killer. We treat it like a law of physics, an unavoidable gravity that eventually pulls every couple down to earth. But if time were the universal culprit, no decades-long relationship would ever survive with its passion intact. Yet, if you look closely, some couples stay highly passionate for 20, 30, or 40 years. Researchers analyzed 40,000 people in long-term relationships. A 20-year chart reveals a major anomaly. Men's satisfaction stays steady, but women's frequently increases over decades. This upward trend stems from a shedding of personal insecurity and a refined understanding of physical pleasure. When researchers asked bored couples to describe their intimacy, they heard the same words over and over: routine, repetitive, and scripted. This identifies predictability, rather than the passage of time, as the variable that kills attraction. Passion doesn't die of old age. It suffocates when you stop trying to surprise each other and let extreme routine take over. The most satisfied couples in the study treat intimacy as a form of adult play. It is a space for exploration, not a mechanical chore on a to-do list. They actively break their routines by changing locations, trying out new elements like massage, or openly talking about their fantasies. This diagram shows how the brain processes novelty. A new experience triggers a burst of activity in reward centers. Comparing long-term novelty to a new relationship reveals the exact same chemical rush. You're effectively recreating the brain chemistry of an early date. Keeping biological attraction alive over the long haul requires a constant stream of new inputs, so your brain never fully habituates to your partner. Beyond novelty, the study tracked a highly measurable metric for long-term satisfaction: orgasms. For both men and women, consistent mutual climax was a major predictor of whether the relationship stayed strong. Getting there requires an intentional shift in pacing. While bored couples often rush through a repetitive script, passionate couples prioritize a longer build-up, deep kissing, and sustained physical engagement. Consistent mutual pleasure does not happen by accident. It is the result of slowing down and deliberately investing unhurried time into each other. To successfully execute that playfulness and mutual pleasure, couples rely on a continuous communication loop. This means explicitly asking for what you want and offering direct compliments. It also relies heavily on the nonverbal, using physical movement, touch, or sound to guide your partner in the moment. Environmental signals like lighting or music function as nonverbal communication, creating a space where physical vulnerability feels safe and intentional. Without that constant feedback loop, couples will inevitably slip right back into those predictable, passion-killing routines. The initial spark of a new relationship is completely passive. It is a temporary chemical reaction that happens to you without any effort, but it burns up quickly and leaves only smoke. Long-term passion operates much like a fire. It is a structure that requires you to actively gather kindling, continually add fuel, and deliberately maintain the heat. Sustaining that heat over decades relies on 3 specific habits. First is playfulness, focusing on mutual pleasure and prioritizing open communication. If you choose to rely entirely on what feels comfortable and never deviate from a set routine, your intimacy will suffocate from a lack of oxygen. To keep the passion alive for decades, you have to shift your mindset. You cannot settle for simply loving your partner. You have to commit to continuously